Good morning. We're going to tackle about fertilizer application computation. So first we're going to use single element fertilizers like urea, sulfurs, and muriate of potash. For our first situation, we have a farmer wanted to apply fertilizer to his cornfield. Based on the soil analysis, the recommended rate of NPK is 70 kilogram per hectare. The available fertilizers are urea, sulfus, and muriate of potash. So the given are 1 hectare area, the recommended rate of 70, and the fertilizers to be used. So all throughout the session, we are going to use this formula. Amount of fertilizer is equal to recommended rate, kilogram per hectare divided by the percent nutrient grade. So kahit saan pwede nating simulan sa urea, sa sulfurs ba, or sa potash. So here, sinimulan ko sa urea. So the recommended rate, si urea meron siyang nitrogen. So yung recommended rate natin for nitrogen is 70 also. So ilagay natin for urea, 70 yung recommended rate divided by yung percent nutrient grade, which is 0.46. The answer would be 152.17. Next is sulfus. So yung sulfus meron siyang P. So yung recommended rate natin for P is 70. Ilagay natin 70 divided by 20 divided by 100. 70 divided by 0.20 is equal to 350. Next is ang muriate of potash. So si muriate of potash mayroon siyang 60 na K. Yung recommended rate natin sa K is 70. Ilagay natin sa recommended rate na 70 divided by percent of potash, which is 60. So 70 divided by 0.60 is equal to 116.67. So in 1 hectare of cornfield, i-apply natin yung 152.17 kilograms of urea, 350 kilograms of sulfurs, and 116.67 kilograms of potash. For our next situation, we have a farmer wanted to apply fertilizer to his 1 hectare cornfield. Based on the soil analysis, the recommended rate of NPK is 110, 70, 90 kilograms per hectare. So we are going to use double element fertilizers like ammonium phosphate. Kung kulang yung N, gagamit tayo ng urea. Kung kulang yung K, gagamit tayo ng muriate of potash. So the given are 1 hectare area, recommended rate of 110, 70, 90, and the fertilizers to be used. So here, magsa-start tayo sa pinakamaliit na recommended rate. So si P, meron siyang 70. So dito sa ating mga fertilizers, ang merong P dito ay si Amophos, which is 20 yung phosphorus niya. So let's calculate for the amount of Amophos. So 70 yung recommended rate, no? Divided by 20. So the answer would be 70 divided by 0.20, 350 kilogram per hectare. So pansin natin, si Amophos meron siyang N at P. So sa 350 kilogram na, ano natin Amophos na, mayroon niyang siyang percent P na 0.20, tsaka percent nitrogen na 16, magiging 0.16. So i-times natin yan for P, 350 times 0.20, we have 70% P. Kay N, 350 times 0.16, 56% N. So from our original recommended rate of 110, 70, 90, ima-minus na natin yung N and P galing kay Amophos. So 56 and 70. So 110 divided by minus 56 is equal to 54. 70, 0, 90, bring down. So ang kailangan na lang natin ay si N at si K. 54, 0, 90. Ito yung new recommended rate natin. So 54N, yung may N dito si urea, 46. So yung recommended rate natin na 54 ilagay, divided by 46 from urea. The answer would be 54 divided by 0.46 is equal to 117.39. Next is natira si 90K. So yung merong K dito, si Marietta of Potash, 16K niya. So ilagay natin yung recommended rate natin na 90 divided by 60 from Potash, Marietta of Potash. So 60 divided by 100, 90 divided by 0.60 is equal to 150 kilogram per hectare. So in 1 hectare of cornfield, we are going to use 350 kilogram of amorphous, 117.39 kilograms of urea, and 150 kilograms of potash. So next naman, what if complete yung gagamitin natin? Complete fertilizer. If may kulang, gamit tayo ng urea or muriate of potash. So farmer wanted to apply fertilizer to his 1 hectare cornfield. Based on the soil analysis, the recommended rate of NPK is 120, 80, 90 kilograms per hectare. So the given are 1 hectare area, the recommended rate of 120, 80, and 90, and the fertilizers to be used complete urea and potash. So, ang gagamitin naman, ang kukunin naman natin yung pinakamaliit pa rin, which is the P, 80. So, yung may P dito is complete. 14 yung P niya. So, amount of complete is equal to 80 na recommended rate divided by 14 na percent grade niya. So, 80 divided by 0.14 is equal to 571.43. So, yung complete pa rin ay meron siyang N, meron din siyang P at K. So, from this 571.43 kilograms of complete, meron siyang N, P, and K. So, i-times natin yung amount, 571.43 kilograms, times the percent niya, no? Percent nutrient grade, which is 14 sa lahat, N, P, and K. So, same lang. 571.43 times 0.14 sa lahat. So, the answer would be 80% NPK. So, from this, yung original natin na 120, 80, 90 na recommended rate, isulat natin. I-minus na natin yung nakuha natin na NPK from complete, which is 80, 80, 80. So, yung new recommended rate natin ay 40,010. So, hindi natin unahin, pwede si N, pwede si K. Dito, inuna ko si 40. So, saan ba dito yung fertilizer na may 40? May N. So, that is urea, 46. So, yung recommended rate, ilagay natin 40 divided by 46 galing kay urea. Ano niya, percent grade niya. So, 40 divided by 0.46 is equal to 86.26 kilogram per hectare. Next, yung kulang is 10 na lang na K. So, dito yung fertilizer na may K is 60. So, 10 divided by 60 is equal to 16.67 kilogram per hectare. So, sa 1 hectare na cornfield, gagamit tayo ng 571.43 kilograms of complete, 86.96 kilograms of urea, and 16.67 kilograms of potash. So, that's all. Thank you.